Okay, so today we're working on a short aerial drop over the top of this tree. We're going from this new MPT that was recently placed for these addresses right there, across over to the telecom mast, down the mast and into those telecom boxes. I haven't been over there yet, but I'm sure everything will work out fine. Conduits or mast is a little small, but we'll try to make it work. So yeah, I'm just gonna set up the ladder, already have the drop uncoiled, and we can get started. 3/4 inch 12 point for the clamps. They have square bolt, or nut rather. I actually ran the drop for this property. There used to be a trailer here and I ran the drop temporarily there while he built his house. He lived here and then he moved here. So it looks like they brought the services underground. Sloppy. There was my mid span. They just extended it over. Very sloppy. Bring both up with me because I'm going to be throwing the coil over the tree. I've put 2 zip ties on to make sure it doesn't get twisted or kinked when I pull. Going to put 1. All right, see you at that side. Trying to clear some of this clutter. Okay, so we're down at the bottom. We got it through the conduit. Oh look, I actually got it all the way through here. So I'm just gonna pull it through. Not all the way because I want to make sure I don't kink it up there. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to do something a lot of techs won't ever do. Normally they would just strip the fiber and leave it coiled in here, but I really don't like doing that. So I'm gonna see if I can do it. It might not work, but I'm gonna try to install a fiber nib here. It's a little weird, but you have to kind of do some finessing. We'll see how it turns out. So I'll get it prepped and then show you guys. Okay, so we're back with the nib. I removed the old one by taking out those little nuts there. And here we have to do kind of a dry fit to see how it's going to fit. Pretty much has to be. Don't think that's going to work. This is definitely tedious and time consuming, but I wanted to show you that where there's a will, there's a way. I just dropped the bolt. Nuts, sorry, I keep calling it a bolt. I'm just gonna cut this off. You could just ignore these altogether, cut them off, and then just drill some holes through the hinge bracket. I'll show you in a sec. There we go. So we have a fiber box properly installed, and that I will fix. There we go. So at least now the fiber will have a good place to be stripped and okay, it's about done. Just have to label here. I'm going to find a screw to seal this here. It's going to be a bit of a tight squeeze. I think I can get a screw up in this corner though, and that'll hold it in place. There's still enough room to get it open if needed, because I assume they're going to send the clear groove through here with this string down into the house. Perfect. That's this one all done. Got it over the trees, over to the house, and attach on the mast with the mast anchor down the mast and replace the box. This was a short one, but once again, thanks for watching.